Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we have this cool miss right here, and pretty much what this is a protection kit that's for your Insta360 X3. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside. So there's a lot of stuff inside. So inside they do provide you guys the glass screen protector for us to apply onto the screen. So let's do open up. They do provide you guys two cloths that you use to wipe it down. They do provide you guys two of these, which is wet wipe and dry wipe. They provide you guys two of the glass screen protectors. So let's take out one of them. This is what the product looks like. So you pretty much want to apply this onto the screen, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. They do provide you guys two of these dust absorber tape to remove any dust that's on it. And at the very bottom, they do provide you guys instruction to show you guys how to set it up. And that's everything inside here. Next thing right here, they do provide you guys a lens cover that's used to protect the actual product. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second as well. But I'm going to show you the last thing inside first. So let's do open up. This part right here is a lens cover or the protector for the actual product. So it's like a rubber material or something, or silicone. But once you guys put it in, it definitely gives you guys a extra protection layer when you guys do use it. And that's pretty much everything that's included in the package. What I'm going to do right now is to put these on to show you guys what it looks like. And then we'll put on the glass screen protector later on afterward when I do finish putting all these on. So do that first. So right here I do have the Insta360. So what I want to do right now is to put this inside like this. So there is silicone, it's not hard for us to put it in. You probably want to put the lens inside first like this. And just slide it in. Once you guys slide it in, the bottom part you can just like stretch it out to fit it in. So once you guys put it on, this is what the product looks like on this side. Here is the side, here's the bottom, here's this side, and here's the front and the back. So it definitely gives you guys a little bit of a protection layer when you guys do put it on. And it still has the opening, so that way you can open it to recharge the product and replace the battery inside if you guys do need to. And then for this part right here, you guys can just put it over it. Just like that, to protect the lens on this side and also the other side. And pretty much where you guys want to put this is right here when you guys do apply it on. And that's pretty much everything that's included in the package. So really cool how they do provide you guys everything to protect the product so that it won't get damaged over time. And nothing's affected when you guys do put it on as well. You guys can still use the button on the side and the front, but that's everything that's on the product. What I'm doing right now is to put this down on the table, take everything out, and we'll put on the glass screen protector to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do put it on and how to put it on. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. All right, so right here we do have everything all ready. So let me show you guys how to install it. So if it's not too dirty, you probably don't even need this and you don't even need this. But just in case if there is any dust that's on here, you guys can use that. But what I'm gonna do is wipe it down with the wet wipe first to make sure it's clean. So here's the wet wipe. Use that to wipe down the screen right here. Once you guys do that, use a dry wipe to make sure it's dry. Wipe it down. Make sure there's nothing on here. Not even little dust. If there is, it's okay. You do have this to use. You'll just peel one of these and stick it on. I do see some, so I'm gonna use one of these to remove it. So just go like that. To remove any of the extra dust that's on there. Once there's no more, then just apply it on. So the way how you apply it on is actually pretty easy. Just peel this part right here and just stick it on. Make sure the bottom part of the circle is on the word. Just like this. And once you guys got it on, just push it down. Just like that. And it's all set. So to make sure it stays on, you guys want to press and hold it for a few seconds and make sure it does stay on. If it does move around, I think that's pretty normal. But this is what the product looks like once you guys do apply it on. Let me turn it on to test it out to see if it actually still works. Alright. So we have to use it. Let me see how it still works. So nothing's affected when you guys do use it, even with the screen protector on. So very easy and very simple for you to install it, even see. Welcome back guys. So I've been seeing the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys wipe it down with a wet wipe, dry wipe, and the cloth and the stickers, you guys can feel free to use all of that, or you don't have to if you guys don't need to. Especially if your product is brand new, then you probably don't have to really wipe it down. But if you see the whole setup process and everything wasn't that hard. Once you guys apply it on, it definitely gives you guys that extra protection layer on there. And obviously there's a lot of other ones available out there in the market today. If you guys want to check those out, feel free to do that as well. Any kind of protection to add on top of the actual product is actually really helpful. So that way it won't scratch the screen or the lens if you guys do get the lens protector. And even when you guys do put it on, you can see how it's not affected. So you guys can still use the touchscreen option on the actual product. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality protection kit for your Insta360 to cover up the whole entire product or even just for the screen itself, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, that obviously don't buy one. And save your mind something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.